Guru Brihaspati, Jupiter importance in astrology. Jupiter in different houses. Jupiter is known as Brihaspati. Brihad means big or great and Pati means protector. Hence Brihaspati means great protector. He is also referred to as Guru, Jeev, Dev, Surguru and Devguru. Jupiter is considered the most auspicious planet in Vedic astrology. Jupiter signifies knowledge, wisdom, religion, spirituality, philosophy, etc. Every planet has some favorable and unfavorable houses. Same with Jupiter. Results of Jupiter in various houses are as below. Brihaspati Jupiter in first house. Well placed Jupiter in ascendant can nullify many malefic dosas in the chart. If Jupiter in its own sign Sagittarius, Pisces or in its exalted sign Cancer, then there is a great Raj Yoga, Hans Yoga. The native of this Raj Yoga will be beautiful, attractive, virtuous, long-lived, fearless, religious, generous, fortunate, healthy, wealthy, philanthropist, respectable in society. Their life philosophy is great. Physically, they may be stout and overweight. Jupiter in first house also aspect fifth and ninth house, so the auspicious houses in the chart are activated. These houses will provide the native with happiness, fortune, material wealth, enjoy a happy married life, and get happiness from children, and their spiritual inclination is high. Brihaspati Jupiter in second house. Second house signifies speech, wealth, family, food habits, eyes, basic education, etc. Well placed Jupiter may give the earning from teaching, banking, public speaking, trust, etc. They will be good in financial management and advisory. In family, they will take all the financial decision widely. They will speak fluently like a scholar and will have control over the grammar. They love truth. If there is no malefic aspect, their food habits can be sattvic, but they are good eaters. They may be interested in occult studies as well. They have attractive faces. From second house, Jupiter aspects 6, 8 and 10th house, mainly Earth Trikon, blessed with great coordination and harmony in family. Brihaspati Jupiter in third house. Third house represents courage, self-effort, communication, brothers, confidence, etc. Jupiter in third house is not an auspicious placement because the third house is about action, efforts, and the domain of Jupiter does not match here. Jupiter is in knowledge, teaching, etc., but it may not harm the house signification. Only thing is that it may not give the desired result. They will put more effort for gaining knowledge. The position will be good for financial management, communication field, information technology, media, etc. Siblings will be successful. Fifth aspect on life partner house. 7 is favorable for married life. Brihaspati Jupiter in fourth house. Fourth house represents happiness, home, vehicle, land, education, mother, etc. Jupiter in this house makes the native happy, contented. There is a sense of satisfaction in one's life if Jupiter in its own sign, Sagittarius, Pisces, or in its exalted sign, Cancer, then there is a great Raj Yoga, Hans Yoga, great yoga for name, fame, and wealth. The native will have good education and their main interest may be on financial field unless some affection. They will like to live in a big house, big family, and also they will have the liking for big vehicles. They may live in upper floors in an apartment, and it is advisable that they should not stay in underground floors. Jupiter in fourth house will aspect 8th and 12th house. That means moksha trikona or spiritual trine will be very active. If Jupiter is well positioned, they will be spiritual in nature. They can be spiritual teacher, preacher as well. They will have an interest in occult sciences. They will try to learn meditation and spiritual aspects. Great support from mother will be like a teacher for them. They have lots of servants. Brihaspati Jupiter in fifth house. Fifth house signifies intelligence, creativity, past deeds, learning, children, speculation, etc. Jupiter in this house shows that native has carried good past deeds to this life. They will be very intelligent, scholarly figure. They will feel blessed and contented. They will lead a peaceful and meritorious life. They may earn through teaching and preaching. There will be all-round successes and prosperity. They will try to expand their knowledge and learning. Their children will be educated and will be prosperous, but they have some tension because of sun. Fifth house also indicates womb. In female horoscope, Jupiter will also protect the womb or Garbhasthan. Native will be learned or a minister of the king. Brihaspati Jupiter in sixth house. Sixth house signifies services, diseases, conflict, enemies, debt, competition, stress, etc. If Jupiter is well placed, then there will be material prosperity, get respect in the workplace, but they will be like a guru in their workplace. They may get and pay the loan easily, may have digestive problems, obesity, diabetes, lung infection, etc. Their Earth trigon is also activated, so money wise fortunate. They will have less number of enemies. Native is clever and well versed in the recitation and utility of mantras. They will be health and hygiene conscious, good in argument and debate. Brihaspati, Jupiter in seventh house. Seventh house represents marriage, life, spouse, partnership, etc. If Jupiter is in its own sign Sagittarius, Pisces, or in its exalted sign Cancer, then this is a great Raj Yoga, Hans Yoga, great yoga for business, married life, partnership, gains from marriage, etc. Native will be attractive, principled, justice lover, and more liberal than father. Life partner will be devoted, cultured, well behaved, having traditional values of life and have good characters, knowledge, etc. The spouse may have an interest in spirituality and religion. They follow morality and ethics. Jupiter placed in seventh house in some signs and combination can create disturbance in marital happiness. They take relationship very serious, whether marriage or any legal or business relationship. They make sure others are happy. They are very responsible and reliable person. Brihaspati, Jupiter in 8th house. 8th house deals with longevity, transformation, suddenness, meditation, research, etc. Well placed Jupiter gives longevity. There may have some unexpected gains from fair sources. They have research based scientific attitude, may involve in charity and social work. They may be interested in occult sciences and have intuitive abilities, may be blessed with psychic and supernatural powers. Disturbance in education and they might face unhappiness from children. Financial fluctuation may be a problem. This is a moksha yoga. Brihaspati, Jupiter in ninth house. Ninth house is considered for luck, wisdom, teaching, father, etc. The native with this placement will be a respectable person and earn huge wealth. They will follow dharma and moral values. They will follow tradition and rituals. They will do good as teachers, preachers, public speakers, and in religion and spirituality, etc. The work they do is not necessarily has to be religious, but the thing is that whatever they do with ethics. They will be like a teachers in their field and people look up to them. Father of the native will also be respectable in society and possess wealth and fortune, get reputed post in a system, enjoy kingly status. If Jupiter is in malefic effect, then they may be very argumentative and rigid about their beliefs and ideology. Brihaspati, Jupiter in 10th house. The person with this placement may be kind, generous, noble, helpful, wise, trustworthy, spiritual, and a selfless, saintly person. Jupiter in careers, name, fame, status, house, 10th place. The person with divinity and destiny. Jupiter's position in the 10th house is a great asset of the horoscope. You may be a judge, trader, philanthropist, or businessman when it is in 10th house. It can also make you a political head or a manager of some financial concerns, banking, MBA. Person may earn a lot of name, fame, and success in career and society. People trust the advice of person with 10th Jupiter. Money is never the priority. Status and dignity is always priority. Social respect is high of these person. They always carry high morals and ethics. They are the deep believers of honesty and trueness and would follow all the required norms and conversation at workplace. They believe upon themselves for the success and their inner strength will make them win over most of hurdles in their path. Besides this, their knowledge and intellect would further strengthen their path. Brihaspati, Jupiter in 11th house. 11th house is about gains, desired achievement, etc. Jupiter in this house will aspect 3rd and 7th house. So, Kama Trikona will be very active. There will be high desires and ambitions in life, but they will earn wealth in rightful ways. They will be high with confidence and courage. This house shows network of people around you. They are very careful of their image in friends and social circuit. Mostly they will be associated with like-minded people. They will be generous and charitable in nature. Attain recognition after 32 years. High comfort of vehicles. Blessed with children and get great fortune after the birth of son. Brihaspati, Jupiter in 12th house. 12th house signifies service, diseases, conflict, enemies, date, competition, stress, etc. If Jupiter is well placed, then there will be material prosperity, get respect in the workplace, but they will be like a guru in their workplace. They may get and pay the loan easily, may have digestive problems, obesity, diabetes, lung infection, etc. Their Earth Tricon is also activated, so money wise fortunate. They will have less number of enemies, native is clever and will work in the recitation and utility of mantras. They will be health and hygiene conscious, good in argument and debate.